Right now, let's take a look at how we can change and choose the alarm sound on your iPhone, and let's get started. So you can be using the built-in clock app, so let's begin with that. So you can open it up and make sure you go to the alarms. Now we can edit the existing ones, or we can create a brand new one by tapping the plus button. So naturally pick the time and all of the settings, but one of the options is of course the sound right here. So if you click on it to get inside, you get the ability to choose the sound for your alarm. So you can pick from the ringtones, which are like default or prepared for you, right? So this is the possibility. Or you can also explore the tune store. So this is the old way of getting and buying ringtones from the iTunes store. I mean, it still works if you're interested in that, but the important part is the songs section. So as you can see, I clicked on songs and it opens up my Apple Music library. So I can literally pick any sound from my Apple Music, which is going to be used to wake me up in the morning. So it's pretty useful. You can see we have it right there. Make sure you just save it, right? And now that's basically it. You can essentially access anything, any song which you have inside of the music app, and use it to wake you up. So you can see that the library is exactly the same which was shown in the clock app. However, you can also explore the App Store and third-party options. For example, you can check out that there is a alarm clock for Spotify where you essentially just log in with your Spotify account if you are a user of that platform, and this type of app can wake you up directly by connecting to Spotify and playing the song which you pick. So you can see there are even more apps which do the same thing, but yeah, a lot of people don't even know about it. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.